Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My plan was literally just to come here and be like, but this look forced me to say something because wow, I did not expect it to come out so good. But yeah, as you can see, this is the look I will be creating today. I really hope that you enjoy it. So please watch till the end and don't forget, please subscribe. Please subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye. I'm just going to reapply this concealer because we want the eyeshadow to pop.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Getting shawty, don't look this down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body pink color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Hate to be a ex, know that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, tryna figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. Tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need a main guy, your own fence. No kid, money, these grown men. Had a week, I'm up, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back at knees in. Bring 'em in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many fall in your direction. Choices like destiny. Just selected. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back back. He been calling your phone, they don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back. Wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice a case so we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the footplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
Just want me to get ratchet.
we see. Mind keep possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My, how the time changed. I'm still playing the victim, and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. Calm down, sugar, be words, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong, cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My, how the time changed. You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the blame. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. I ain't got a clue, bruh.
I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground, no I don't feel
the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bag turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and I will watch you, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the two to make big pillows in the back. Too many rounds and for these acres, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still on me? How you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my shooter whack, eating cheese and that's the rat. Ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Glam fuck the same hoe, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bag turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and I will watch it, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no strainer, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go to a special who go, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than you know, and she like, I how you get that shit, you got a romantic on your hoe. Let me back sit bitch, I'm too rich to drive a road. Pop my shit like plumber, me and gun and diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out so much, just all grinding for a month. Lil' hop out dump, shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bag turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and I will watch it, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
Yeah. Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my